Hey everybody, in this problem we're going to add the numbers 2 and 31 hundredths plus 4 and 84 hundredths. Okay, so notice this time the numbers are written horizontally. So if you wanted to, you could take the 4 and 84 hundredths and put that right underneath the 2 and 31 hundredths and add it that way. Okay, but what I'm going to do is come over here and grab a pen. Let's first start with blue. Okay, let's underline the place values we're going to add together. Okay, so here we have 1/100th and 4/100ths. Okay, and then a different color. Let's pick green. Okay, we're going to add the 3/10ths and the 8/10ths. And then finally, let's pick a red. We'll add the 2 and then the 4. All right. So let's do this now. So when I add the 4/100ths and the 1/100ths, that's going to be 5/100ths. So that's going to be 5. And then 8/10ths and 3/10ths, well, that would be 11/10ths. So I'm going to put a 1 here, and we have to add a 1, right? So that's going to be 4, 5, 6, and 7. So the final answer is going to be 7 and 15/100ths. Okay. Again, what we could also done is take this number, okay, 4 and 84 hundredths, and put it underneath the first number, and then add it the more traditional way as well.